What's up, IMers? It's Ike Paz, and today I got something really important to tell you about Pinterest. So always even back in the day, you could always upload video to Pinterest, but it didn't do much for you in terms of ranking, in terms of traffic, in terms of anything. But now Pinterest is pushing video. I am lucky enough to be one of the beta testers for their video Pinterest, I guess, platform. It's not a different platform. It's within Pinterest, but now you can actually upload video and video can actually rank. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so here we are on my Pinterest account for my internet marketing gym site. And yeah, like I said, Pinterest has been pushing video, especially now that they have video as an option that you can use on their advertising platform. You can read more about that. Just Google in Pinterest video, and there's a bunch of posts about why Pinterest is using video on their platform. Basically because, like I said, advertising, they want to give that as another option on their advertising platform. I would still, of course, focus on images because that's what brought Pinterest to where they are right now, is their images. You always want to focus on vertical style images, okay? But you should also, I should say, invest a little bit of your time uploading your videos onto Pinterest just to hedge your bets for the future as Pinterest pushes into video, okay? So you click the plus button here. It says here drag and drop or click to upload your image or video. I have this video here of a free case study I had hosted on my site. So I'm gonna drag that and drop that in there and let me pause that. And not only that, of course, I wanna find the related post so that I can get the traffic to my site. What's that? Freedom Profits Review. Okay, got that URL. Post that in here where there says URL, and then choose a board where it makes sense. So in this example, I'm gonna drop it into the affiliate marketing tips plus guides. Now that's all good. Now the problem with this is a little bit crude. As for the thumbnail, you can't upload your own thumbnail, so you have to either slide it and find an image that you like and then settle on that. So for now, I'm gonna just settle on this, okay? Because that's the best one. This is the best image that represents not only who I am, I mean, you know, it's my actual image, plus what is gonna be discussed in the video, okay? After that, you wanna use my keyword, Pinterest Keyword Finder. Is absolutely for free. You can get it for free. I'm sure I'll have some links to it below or on this video. And you wanna write in the keyword or the general niche that you're discussing in your video or image. And I'm doing affiliate marketing. They give you these ideas, and I'm gonna copy these ideas here, copy that, and paste that in here. Before that, I'm going to write a little description about this case study. Okay, so in this video, actually, I made a mistake. Big mistake. This is not about affiliate marketing, forgive me. This is about entrepreneurship. This board belongs there. And this is not about affiliate marketing. I made a mistake, one second. This is about local business. Actually, local business marketing. I'm gonna copy that, okay. Because in the case study, my buddy Abdullah has a case study where he reveals how he makes 4 figures every month selling on Upwork. So it's really good. If you haven't seen it, you can check it out. I'll have a video to it in this. I'll have a link to that video somewhere within this video. In this video, I'll show you a case study on how Abdullah is able to make over 5K a month on Upwork. I'm the only one who has permission to show you this amazing, and it is amazing, by the way, case study. And I'm the only one who has permission to show it because I reached out and talked to the creators of that program, and they gave me the okay to do so. So that's why I can say that. Okay, and once I'm done doing that, I want to add a title, and watch case study reveals 4-figure month business. Okay, and we're all done. Once we're done doing that, we want to click, it says early access here, click save, and that's it. Again, this is Pinterest, so you want to focus on images, but it doesn't hurt to also upload your videos to Pinterest as well, because they support that platform. They support that video. So make sure you take advantage of that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me down below within my YouTube comment section or on my site, Internet Marketing Gym. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is Ike Paul saying talk to you later. Ciao.